A lot of students are worried on how to know their JAMB mock exam location. Although we all know that JAMB exam for the mock alone is going to hold on March 28th. So doing the reprinting now is what is giving students problem, like student headache. So this video is going to explain how you can know your JAMB mock venue, time, and then the location. So that's what I'm going to show you in this video, and also the date, which is March 28th. So the reprinting is how we're going to go about it now. It is how you can now reprint your JAMB mock location, which is the venue, time, and then the date. So how do you go about that? Then go to your browser if you have any browser on your phone, such as Chrome, Opera Mini, Safari. So for this one now, I'll be going to, let me go to my Chrome here. As you can see, go to the Chrome I have here. Now this is it. This is my Chrome. You can see it here. So if you go to the Chrome here, so now what are you going to search? Look at the way the Chrome looks like. Now look at it here. Now what are you going to search? If you go to this place, you are going to search. Either you can search to address, which is, look at this, that's the address exactly. Now what are you seeing here? That is slip reprinting. Let me just say it in full, slips. Ensure you put S in that slip. Slips printing, rather, slips printing, slip printing. Can you see .jamb.gov.ng/print mock examination slip? This is just it. Slip printing. Can you see very well? Slip printing .jamb.gov.ng then /print mock examination. Print mock examination. So that is what you are going to check. That's the address you are going to go to. I just want to type it full. Print mock examination. You can put slip examination. So you can put slip, you might not put slip, it does not necessary. So you can leave it like this or not. So this is the address. So that's slip printing, slips printing.jamb.gov.ng/print mock examination slip. You might put the slip, you might not put the slip. So after that, then you're going to click on it. So if you click on it, you have this type of page which is going to display on your address. Can you see this now? So this is print mock examination slip. So in this place, let me zoom it. So in this place, you're going to enter either registration number or email. Your JAMB registration number or your email, or probably your JAMB phone number. So this particular one says that mock examination slip printing not allowed. Yes, because the student did not register for the mock. While registering the JAMB, the student did not register for the mock. So this is how to. So once you enter your JAMB examination number or JAMB phone number or JAMB email, so it's going to display your profile, your picture here, together with your exam time, date, and venue, with the subject you are going to write, the venue, and the instruction of what to bring to the exam hall, the things you should not bring. Like you will see a photo card displaying on your screen. Although you cannot get it as PDF, no, you can't get it as PDF. Yeah, it will not allow you to get it as PDF, and you need to take the hard copy to your exam venue. Most especially, it's better for you to print it in hard copy, in colored copy, like colored printing, and not black and white. And if you print as black and white, so it does not mean it's still allowed. You can still print it as black and white, it doesn't mean. So that's it. But if you are finding it difficult to print it, like if it's not loading, or if it's not popping up, or if it's not showing, and you are sure that you register for the mock, like you selected mock while registering the exam, if you are sure about that, so do well to send a message to my WhatsApp number displaying on your screen. So once you text me on that WhatsApp displaying on your screen, then I will help you to print it as PDF and send it to you as PDF. So that's the number. The number is 080 68 43 58 09 or 091 55 10 28 18. So once you come to my WhatsApp number, then I will help you. I will request for either your examination number or your JAMB phone number or your JAMB email. Then I will use that to print it for you. Do you understand? So I will use that to print it for you. Sorry. my screen is looking blurry because this phone is closer to the camera. That's why. So, but why coming to my DM, my WhatsApp, mind you, is not going to be for free. So a token is going to be paid. Be aware of that. And the token will be paid first before I do your work for you. So thank you so much. And I wish you best of luck in your mock. I wish you success. March 28th is for everybody. Mock is going to be written once, just once. Everybody are writing mock once, but your venue, your time is going to change. Like you guys will have different time and then different venue, but the same day, only March 28th is when you are going to write your mock exam. So if this video is good for you, helpful to you, share it, give us a like, up, nice comment. Bye.